Yo, what up? It's your boy C's from thecesarlife.com. Currently, we're in the South End. It's 5:30 a.m. I got a couple of sessions today, and then I get to work out. So on my quest to building the ultimate workout program, it leads me into different sort of theories and programming philosophies through other awesome coaches, and I'm trying to blend them in to make the ultimate program. So I'm going to be testing a few programming ideas out. So with this training session is going to be one of those ideas. So once we're done here, I'll show you exactly what that means. All right, peeps, that is the full workout. As always, full workout is going to be in the description. If you have any questions regarding any of the movements, any progressions or regressions, just let me know down in the comments, and then I'll adjust it according to your needs. All right, we are live online, so hit your boy up if you want some customized training programs. Now I'm just going to stretch, roll out, and yeah, hit the shower. Let's do it.